Up first, 12 News is tracking breaking news. Right now, Phoenix homicide detectives are investigating after the discovery of a child's remains during the construction of new homes. Sky 12 over the West Valley near 87th Avenue and Indian School Road just moments ago.
Let's give you some live images now, and you can see some ground level shots. These are forensic experts from Phoenix PD going over the area with a fine-tooth comb, trying to leave no stone unturned as they try to gather DNA evidence to try to make at some point, and it won't be soon, but to make some sort of a gender-specific or age-specific guess on the child's remains, who this child was. There are so many open cases right now. Some of them have gone cold, others are active, but it appears that these remains are a child, and they have been there for some time. Again, forensic experts going over this construction site with a fine-tooth comb right now so they can gather as much DNA evidence as possible to try to make an identification of this child.